Jeep Willis tree man. Fighting the rain again. Fighting the rain again. It's all be overcast, but I reckon I can get this other stub off of here, and so it's a little time consuming because I got to cut it in log sizes because I'm over the customer's house. But a few more cuts and I can let it drop. I'd love to get this deck job. And I'd love to get this roofing job, but I don't want to pay for it. So just to give you an idea, go look at this. Where the lightning struck it. It's pretty shelled out, so I'm gonna feel pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna feel really good. Oh, when I'm off of these limbs, because where the lightning struck it and it's shelled, it's a good, well, let's just put it this way, a good 12 to 15 foot all the way back to the tree, shelled where the lightning strike hit it. This is probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. Crazy stupid, but luckily for me, I don't have any family and I don't have anyone that cares about me. So if I fall, there's no loss. But remember, tie off your customers' tools, because you don't want to hurt them. Even though you're not worth anything, his chainsaw is. So when the chainsaw falls, it's safe. When I fall, they can pick me up with a spatula, because I ain't got nobody. So the craziest, stupidest thing I ever did was put a roof on McKormicks' house in Goobers Knob. You can go back on the former Jeep and see. I said Lowry seasoned salt by accident. I was up there walking around. I put the roof gable on. My buddy contractor Jimmy Dean, he said, I never met anyone as crazy as you. Never met anyone as crazy as you. Goobers Knob, McKormicks. Funny about them, we were going to build a garage for them too. In Goobers Knob, they got like 150 acres there. I think it was a 10-12. I forget what the pitch was. 10-12. It was really like this one, but 3 or 4 stories high. Goobers Knob, gated subdivision. Now the funniest thing about them McKormicks, I don't know if they're from New York City or Chicago, but funny about them is they did not believe my boss on how many tiles we used. Asphalt tiles. They did not believe my boss. Now, first of all, they should have put metal. Someone with that much money should have enough sense to put metal. The McKormicks seasoned salt people. I mean, I'm telling you what, the house was gorgeous. No attached garage. I mean, who does that with that much money? They got enough sense to buy 180 acres over there. I want to reckon it's Avery County. I'm not sure. I forget. Could be McDowell. Old Shiner Mountain. I could tell you some Shiner stories from there, that the superintendent on the job that put in the drainage on the roads on there, he got fired too. My boss got fired too. We're supposed to paint it, and we're supposed to build a garage for them, but they went to Grassy Creek Hardware behind my boss's back because he thought he swindled them. I mean, these got to be rich people. McKormick seasoned salt. They thought he swindled them on tar ceiling, roof tiles, which should have been a metal roof to begin with. But anyway, coming to you, Appalachian America. The clouds is moving. See ya.